I have my read aloud book in front of me. What does the book say? The name of the book is Rit and Kit. So who is Rit and who is Kit? Let's read the book and find out. And I want you all to try and read the words. Okay? So let's open our book. Take a look at the first page. What do you see here? See a cat. Let's read what this page says. The page says, Rit is a cat. Rit is a cat. Were you able to read this? Good. So this page says, Rit is a cat. Let's turn the page. Who do you see on this page? You can see a dog. What's the name of this dog? Let's read and find out. Let's all try reading this together. Kit is a dog. What is Kit? Kit is a dog. Good. Let's take a look at the next page. You can see some things in front of Kit and Rit, right? Let's read this page and find out what they are. What does the page say? It says, Rit has a ball. This is the word ball. So, Rit has a ball. What is this? Kit has a doll. This is the word for the word doll. So, Rit has a ball. Kit has a doll. Let's all turn the page. What does this page say? It says, Rit ran. Kit ran. Rit ran. Kit ran. Can you see them running? Yes. Let's take a look at the next page. Do you see here? It looks like the ball and doll are rolling. What does this page say? It says, ball can roll. This is the word for roll. Ball can roll. What does it say here? Doll can roll. Doll can roll. What does the page say? Ball can roll. Doll can roll. So ball and doll can both roll. Yes, let's turn the page. And we can see Rit and Kit here. They also look like they're rolling. What does the page say? Let's try and read it. Rit and Kit can roll. Rit and Kit can roll. So Rit and Kit can roll. Let's take a look at the next page. What does the page say? It says, Rit got the ball. Kit got the doll. Rit got the ball. Kit got the doll. And can you see how Rit got the ball and Kit got the doll? Yes, let's take a look at the next page. This is the last page of our book. What does it say? It says, Rit hid the ball. What did Rit do? Rit hid the ball. Can you see it hiding behind Rit? Yes. So Rit hid the ball. What did Kit do? Let's read and find out. Kit hid the doll. Kit hid the doll. Rit hid the ball. Kit hid the doll. So that's the end of this book. Let's all close it. Are you all able to read along with me?
For more interesting stories, kids' activity ideas, and expert tips on parenting, just click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon.